Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and with me on this edition, I have somebody very, very special. Mr. Lalit Agarwal joins in. He's the Chairman and Managing Director of V-Mart Retail. Thank you so much for being with us on Business Today TV, sir. Help us understand what is the on-ground situation right now. We've gone through this 2.5 years of pandemic. How have things improved? Are people finally moving out, buying stuff from the retail stores?
Yes, Akshay, definitely. This is after long 2 years. Once again, we can see huge crowd on the store, in the retail store, in the market, buzz around in the traffic around in the market. Definitely, people are over enthusiastic. They are coming out. Kids are coming out from the school. Guys are going to the colleges. Once again, romance is out in the picture and out on the lawns. So that's not just a Zoom romance, but yeah, it's a life there. So definitely there is much more enthusiasm. The only fact that post COVID, now this Ukraine war led to so much of inflation, and the inflationary pressure on the real Bharat, on those middle and the aspirational class is little high, and for them to managing the budget is becoming little tough. So for them, it is right now a nervous environment where they are not able to cope up with their budget, still not able to spend out for the discretionary pieces. So there is a small element which I think will immediately get improved, because inflation is coming under control, and we will see things coming back to normalcy by the festival times.
Absolutely, and that was exactly my question. I wanted to know, sir, that on ground, in terms of sales, have they reached the pre-pandemic levels? And because of inflation again, what kind of impact do we see? Of course, the breathing space is that at least it is coming down, it's peaking out. That's what most of the experts have been pointing out. So now that we get it normalized, by when do we see pre-pandemic kind of levels?
I mean, definitely, we are expecting right there, right now, and since Q1, we are seeing some improvement happening. Things have started returning back, but yeah, right now these are monsoon times. These are still those times when you have rains and you have all sorts of things, and no festivals and no marriages. So, but yeah, I think things are going to come back. We should be able to see festival once again back, because people have not really celebrated the festival full blown for the last 2 years. So we will see those things coming back, and definitely they will be this inflationary commodity inflationary pressure is bottoming up somewhere, but in some of the product lines it is still on the peak. It will need some more time. We will need some more strategy. Globally, some rest needs to come in, and but things will come back to normalcy.
Right.
Yeah.
You did point out about the Russia-Ukraine crisis that has definitely led to inflationary pressures and the commodity prices shooting through the roof. Right now, what is the situation as far as the raw material costs are concerned and the input costs for you? Are they ebbing?
Now, right now, till now, because cotton is the biggest raw material for us, cotton seems to not bend down, and it went down and once again came back. Internationally, it is being seen as a huge pressure on the cotton, because Brazil has some low crop and China has some drought and some problems are on there. But yeah, but I think still the crop in India is going to be very good. It's going to come up in October. We should see some lowering, some flattening of that crop, that commodity prices by the next month itself.
Right. So what are the expectations for the festive quarter going forward? We will have early Diwali this time around, early Dussehra, so the festivities are going to start off early. So how soon are you expecting that festive demand to trickle in into your books?
We already started the fiasco. The Pujo celebrations are on in now in eastern part of India. Bengal is now started getting those Pujo celebration. We are also rolling back the prices, trying to make it little more convenient for the customer segment. We are trying to roll back some inflated prices and trying to see that how the customer's pain can get addressed by us.
How many more discounts are we going to see this festive?
And not discount, but real honest price, which is a little low price, which is more attuned to the customer's demand and more attuned to their affordability. So that's what we are expecting, and I think we are definitely going to have a very, very Gala Diwali this time, with further marriage seasons going on. Winter is going to be also very good. So we are going to have a very good Q3 in this year, and that's what we are expecting.
Okay, understood that. Now, going forward from your, talk to us about your expansion plans in terms of the stores that we will be seeing, the new stores that will be coming up, say in FY23 and then in FY24-25. What are your plans?
So we recently acquired a chain of in South India called Unlimited from Arvind Group, and we also opened a lot of stores. So we have our plans. We always open up almost 20% of the square footage area we add up. So we are right now operating at 395 stores, and we think we should be adding up at least 60 stores in this particular year, if not more. And within that, we will also open up stores in the newly occupied area in the southern India with Unlimited. So we'll
That
open
was
up
my question that, geographically, where are you going to be now focusing on?
so we'll focus a little more on the little higher per capita income group in that market, because the low per capita income market is right now little suffering, and it can go up for another 1 year. But in the high capita per market is southern India or western India and northern India. So we are trying to penetrate more there. Some part of eastern India as well.
Any more tie-ups with new brands that will be coming up that we will be able to see in V-Mart?
Yeah, I think we are focusing on digitalization, digital commerce. So we are trying to acquire more capability there, do more technology integrations there, have more partnerships there. Also look for something more strategic there. So that's the area of focus, potential, because we are not looking at today, but we are looking at future. That's the whole purpose.
Okay. So going forward from here, any fundraise plans that you may have as a company?
No, we did a QIP only 2 years, not only 2 years back. So we have cash till now, and we will definitely want to use that cash as well as raise some debt if required. But yeah, not immediately. If required, we will definitely go out and market loves us, so we will not hesitate doing that.
Okay, understood. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, as is always. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.